The moon, often associated with divine feminine energy and regarded as the counterpart to the sun, holds a significant place in cosmic phenomena. It presents us with mesmerizing eclipses, influences the tides, and is even envisioned as a potential staging point for future missions to Mars and beyond. However, when we closely examine the moon, we encounter peculiar characteristics that suggest it might be hollow, and there might be a hidden moon base. Controversy and conspiracy theories have long surrounded the Apollo missions and subsequent moon landings. Debates persist about whether we truly landed on the moon, what we discovered there, and the extent to which NASA may have concealed information. Amidst these disputes and speculations, the moon's abundance of anomalous features has puzzled both scientists and conspiracy theorists alike. During the later stages of the Apollo missions, NASA astronauts placed seismic recording devices on the lunar surface to capture artificial and natural moonquakes. The recorded data encompassed various activities, including meteorite impacts, man-made explosions, and even the seismic effects of the sun's heat, which caused daily thawing on the moon. To conduct their experiments, the astronauts utilized ALSEPs, Apollo Lunar Surface Experiment packages, setting up seismographs and initiating detonations ranging from shotgun-like charges to mortars with multiple grenades. NASA deliberately crash-landed the Apollo 12 module and the S-4B rocket, producing an explosive force equivalent to nearly 12 tons of TNT. What surprised them was the moon's resonant ringing, akin to a bell, which sometimes reverberated for hours. NASA and the Apollo astronauts were astonished by these acoustic observations and their implications. The moon's density appeared significantly lower than that of Earth. With a size slightly more than 1/4 that of Earth, the moon is an anomaly among natural satellites in our cosmic neighborhood. Among all the moons in the solar system, ours ranks as the 5th largest. No other known planet has a moon as proportionally large as ours, except for massive gas giants. For instance, Neptune, which has a moon of similar size, is 4 times the size of Earth. Despite its relatively small diameter of about 2,100 miles compared to Earth's nearly 8,000-mile diameter, the moon's mass constitutes only 1.2% of Earth's, and its volume is a mere 2% of Earth's. Based on subsequent tests, NASA determined that the moon has a composition similar to Earth's, but significantly less dense. It possesses a 31-mile crust primarily made of mineral plagioclase, a mantle consisting of olivine and pyroxene, and a small core composed of iron and sulfur. However, when the Apollo astronauts attempted to drill into the moon's surface, they encountered difficulties, especially in the craters, which were already peculiar formations themselves. Craters, typically formed by meteorite and asteroid impacts, should exhibit a proportional relationship between their depth and width. Yet many wider craters have similar depths to significantly narrower ones, some even appearing convex. Astronauts struggled to penetrate the surface of these craters, discovering processed metals like brass, mica, and pure titanium. In 1970, 2 Soviet astronomers proposed a theory that the moon is likely a hollow structure placed in Earth's orbit by an advanced extraterrestrial race. They based their hypothesis on the observable anomalies and claimed that the moon is an artificial shell housing internal inhabitants. While the notion of being monitored by extraterrestrials on the moon or the moon serving as a secret base may seem far-fetched, there are numerous unexplained facts about its relationship with Earth. Several theories attempt to elucidate how the moon came to orbit our planet, yet none have gained widespread acceptance, leading many to speculate about the moon's artificial nature. Without the moon occupying its precise position, life on Earth as we know it may not have existed or evolved to its current state. The Earth-Moon ratio is estimated to be unique, with less than 10% of terrestrial planets in the universe having a similar configuration. This ratio provides the necessary stability to maintain a climate conducive to supporting life. The moon's size plays a crucial role in influencing Earth's axial tilt, also known as the wobbling of the Earth on its axis. Over thousands of years, this tilt changes by a mere single degree. Such minimal movement is essential for maintaining climatic stability. Without the moon's gravitational influence, the Earth could experience drastic shifts, with the potential for tilting up to 85 degrees every million years. Such extreme changes would lead to dramatic alterations in the Earth's orientation to the Sun, potentially rendering it uninhabitable for evolving life forms.